I seriously considered editing out those stellar dance moves, but the more I thought about it, mood plays such a vital role in my design. So if you feel like it, turn on some tunes and do a little dancing. It's time to design. Honestly, I think the hardest thing about making a bridal bouquet is holding it in one hand. All I can really tell you is it takes a lot of practice, but the best thing you can do is hold all the flowers in one hand and add to it with the other. Now for the fun part, spinning that little beauty around and tucking in all those beautiful little blooms into all the perfect spots. Don't choke those little blooms. They need room to breathe. If they're too close and too tight next to their neighbor, pull up gently and give them room to breathe. Okay, right about now, your arms, forearms specifically, might be burning. Who knew that making a bridal bouquet was such a great arm workout? Right now is the perfect time to pull that bouquet back, give it a good look, and consider the overall shape. My biggest tip, make sure it doesn't look like a perfectly round beach ball. Sometimes you just need to add a little color or a little something extra to a spot to make it pop a little bit better. Enter the sneak attack. You can gently guide a stem through the bouquet and pull it down through the bottom if necessary. I had no idea my desk drawer was open until right now. But don't worry, nothing a little hip check can't fix. Next up, some forearm relief. Finally bringing in the corsage tape to tape the bouquet and give my hand a break. What a killer workout, and what a beautiful bouquet we've created. I always wait to cut the stems on my bouquet until the very end because you never know when you need to start over or add a little extra length here or there. The finishing and final touch on this bridal bouquet, adding the ribbon. There are so many different ways to tie and wrap a bridal bouquet, but here I decided to keep it simple, wrapping just a few times and then tying in a knot.